Hello there, I'm Nate with Sashco, and today I want to talk to you about Exact Color. Like all Sashco sealants, Exact Color is a product that works. This is a high-performance sealant that's not going to crack on you. It's designed to be flexible. But you can tint this with any water-based paint or stain to make whatever color you want for your project. So let's break down what you get in the kit. In the kit, you get the tube of sealant. You also get a syringe. You'll use this syringe to grab 20 milliliters of any water-based paint that you want, and you shoot it right in the top of the cartridge. Once you do that, you put the cap on, and you can literally shake the paint in just by hand. This sealant is actually pretty thin. We make it a lot thinner than our normal sealants. Once the paint's mixed in, you take this thickener, put that in, shake it up one more time, and you will end up with a perfect match for your job. Exact Color is very popular for siding, for cabinets and countertops, because you can make unique things instead of just a white or a gray that you might find stocked at your local hardware store. And if you want to learn more about Exact Color, go to sashco.com.